Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Unique. Thank you for stopping by. Just wanted to do a quick video just showing you how I organized my vehicle. I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. I'm not really going to get into the specifics of the actual vehicle because of course you can find many videos that details what the Overland comes with and its capabilities and all of that. But today I want to focus on keeping your vehicle organized, minimalistic, as well as some tips and tricks on how I keep my vehicle looking clean. So first thing is the driver's side. So in here I just have this little bag that I have. It just has a whole bunch of disposable gloves. So I just have those on hand. I also have a bottle of hand sanitizer. I always get the one with the pump because I like to be able to just reach over and get what I need. Also, I have this container. It's a wet ones container that I took the label off of. And what I did was I put these bags that I got from the Dollar Tree. And what I do is I use that for trash, which I feel like is a great hack, a great tip, because that's what I utilize to put my trash in. So I don't actually have a trash container. I just use this and take the trash out. Whenever we get home, I will take the trash out that way. So right here is my phone holder. So it does move in different directions, and usually I like to stick my phone here so that when I am on the phone, I'm speaking with someone, I don't have to hold it, it doesn't fall, you know, it just stays stabilized and I don't have to worry about that. The next thing that you're seeing is my essential oil diffuser. I've had this thing for 2 years and I am so in love with it. It makes the entire vehicle smell like so nice, and it doesn't give me a headache like the commercial air fresheners do, so I really appreciate that. And I also love like all of that that comes off of top of it. I think it's so pretty, but maybe that's just me. I also have a disposable cup here that I have water in. So here you just press this right here and you can get in, and I have this knife. It cuts your seatbelt, and also it has this thing right here where you can break the window if you need to. But when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love the color combination, and I don't know, it's just so girly, so pretty to me. So that's what's in there. And you know, of course you can use it for other things too. And also in here I have this container that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just put change in there. So a few quarters, some pennies and things like that for, you know, if I need to have that on hand. I also have a measuring tape. So I use that for like when I go out and I want to measure like if a furniture will fit in a specific area, you know, so on and so forth. So that's that, and now I'm gonna actually get into this console right here. Now the console is pretty small because there's a CD player here, so that takes up, you know, a good amount of space. And right here I just have a water bottle that's just to refill the diffuser. It's just a small water bottle that I just took the label off of. And yeah, I have some lotion here. I have some lip balm, the lemongrass, essential oil. I also have sweet orange, which I like to put the lemongrass and the sweet orange together. They smell really, really nice. This is the grapefruit, and then I have peppermint. So that's that. That's the console area. So under the seat, the driver's seat, I actually have this cloth here, and this is where I keep all of my electronics. It has like 2 compartments. Unfortunately, I can't really show you exactly what's in there, but it's just like chargers and external batteries, things like that. It's kind of hard for me to open it with one hand, so just pretend you can see in there. In the glove box or glove compartment, I have just this little card holder here that I like to put, you know, business cards, my business cards, as well as other quick reference cards that I may need. So that's that. I have a pen, and I also have some documents here. So I like to keep it in this because, you know, it's all categorized and it's easy for me to find the information that I need. Now I do have some sticky notes right here just to cover up some personal information, but that is like numbers to call in an emergency, as well as the insurance card itself. So that's that. And that just goes back in here. And I put the cards there. So up here is the owner's manual and my toll pass. On the passenger seat, you see right here is my car keys. So I just have like important cards and things like that, driver's license. I typically do not keep a lot of items on my keychain, so I just have my key fob and my house key, and that's it. Here in the passenger side, I don't have much. I just have just a small umbrella that I like to keep in here as well. So yeah. I also forgot to show you guys this. I have this on my mirror, and basically this is an old keychain or just bag charm that came on one of my old totes that I always loved, and of course the tote fell apart, but I utilized this charm as basically just car decor. I think it looks very nice, very simplistic, and you know, it's different. So yeah, that's what I have there. I love it. So we're moving along to the back seat. So this is the view from my daughter's side. And again, I don't have much showing because I like my organization to be hidden. So I do have items in the vehicle. It's just very well hidden because I just don't like to have it in view if I can help it. So this is where my daughter keeps her little entertainment, so things that she likes to bring. So she has like books, pencils, crayons, markers, just little activities for herself to do. And usually what I do is I would hook it on this purse hook right here. Sometimes I put groceries on there as well. It just really depends, but just to kind of keep it out of the way for her, I keep it right here. So that's that. Under the seat, under her seat, I also have this bag here, which is kind of like my on-the-go kind of emergency kit. Now, when I say emergency, I don't mean like gauze and band-aids and stuff like that. Just like little personal items that you like to have. So I have like utensils in here. I have wipes, napkins, deodorant, feminine products. What else? I have these like little scrunchies, and I believe that's it. Yeah, that's it. Also, I have toothpicks. So anything like that, I always throw in here. I think I have a small nail polish remover and just little things like that. Now it's difficult for me to zip this up with one hand, but you kind of get the picture. And I apologize if you see like little dust particles because it is a black vehicle, so it's like everything shows. Everything. So any kind of crumb, all of that, you'll be able to see, unfortunately. And also in her side, I have a wet ones container that actually has some wet ones in there, and she uses that if she eats in the car just to make sure she keeps her hands clean, because I can't stand her eating with dirty hands. Now this is the other side. of the back seat. And as I told you guys before, I enjoy just having things hidden, but I also like to make sure that I have things that I really want to have. So this is a document holder, so I keep like resumes and things like that. I'm gonna have to wipe that down because it gets fingerprints on it very easily, but that's tucked under there. And underneath the seat I have the what is it called, sun visor. And that's what I put under here, and I believe that's it. Oh yeah, and a roll of napkins or paper towels. So I have a roll of paper towel under there as well. So that's about it that I have in the back seat. Okay, so this is the trunk. You can get a much better view. It's a lot brighter, but I have a portable vacuum here. I have this just in case. It has a emergency kit, like a first aid kit. It has jumper cables, flares, cones, all kinds of things in case of an emergency. I also have my umbrella back here. It's like pretty big. So you see, it's like super big. And I usually keep this back here, but I keep the two umbrellas in the car just in case it's raining. I don't want to have to run to the back to get the umbrellas. So yeah, this is just my gym bag. So I just have like a towel, some clothes, items like that. If you want to see what's in my gym bag, if you could let me know in the comments and I can do that for you guys. But that is in there. Now there's a secret compartment. I guess not really so secret, but yeah. So you just push this down, and this is where the spare tire is at. And what I do is I have a set or a pair of tennis shoes that I no longer wear, but instead of throwing it away, I just went ahead and kept it and put it in there for emergencies. I have some flip-flops as well, some disposable bags. I have that earmuff, that's when I go to the range, so it doesn't harm my hearing. This is just a blanket that you unzip, and you can use it like for picnics, you can use it on the beach, you can use it, you know, any kind of way that you like. But I usually use it, like if I get plants, then I will lay it across here and I will put the plants on it, and it's like water resistant and all of that, so I never have to worry about like dirt and all of that in my vehicle. So that is the trunk. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I will link as many things as I can find, and I will see you next time. Bye bye for now.